Hi, my name is Esmeralda Ramirez Pena, and I'm going to tell you a story today about the time when I mentored as a science researcher, and we designed an experiment that was going to be a fun science lesson for little girls from 1st to 5th grade. And we wanted to design an activity where the students could engage in science and learn how fun it could be to learn difficult concepts and feel like science is not something that is only for certain people, that even as a young student you can be curious and ask scientific questions. And we taught them that in science it's important to collaborate and to help your neighbor. So this helped us teach them the spirit of collaboration in science. And when we finished the experiment and they had extracted the jelly-like DNA from the fruit, we started asking them questions about where does DNA come from? Where is it in our body? Do plants have DNA? How is it different? And then we talked about how each of us is unique. All of these activities invigorated me because the students started asking very interesting questions. They started asking questions about, oh, is the DNA from the leaf different from the DNA of the strawberry fruit? And it really inspired me that our activity that day had led them to ask questions, to let them understand that even though we're scientists, we were interested in their questions and interested in them becoming curious. And at the end of the activity, each of the mentors took turns talking about their journey in science. And when I talked about my journey, I talked about how sometimes I felt like I wasn't smart enough because maybe I didn't always have the best grades. And I had imposter syndrome. Imposter syndrome is when you feel like you're not smart enough and you don't belong where you are. And mentoring definitely helped me overcome this because I realized how important it is for little girls, especially of minorities, to have a role model. When I was growing up, I didn't know a female Latina scientist. And so if I could show them that they're also capable of leading a career in science or just asking scientific questions, it helped me become inspired to really be comfortable in my role and accept myself as a scientist and shed that imposter syndrome away. And I chose this background of the Houston Medical Center because this has been my home for the past 10 years. And it's a place where I have grown as a scientist, a place that has encouraged my creativity, and now I am able to walk forward with more confidence as a scientist.